everyone, this is Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Habibullah. Last three digit of my student ID is 156. On this session, I'm going to discuss about how to calculate loan amortization schedule. So first of all, I try to tell about loan amortization. Loan amortization is an immediate length loan in which credit is generally extended from 1 to 7 years. The loan is usually repaid in monthly, quarterly installment over in life rather than with one single payment. Now we can see an example that is that's about loan amortization schedule. Here principal amount is 5 lakh, rate is 12%, year is 15, and payment per year is 12. So now we have to calculate first of all the payment. So we just type equal sign and type payment function. So payment function is PMT and then type first bracket. Then our requirements is here. First requirement is rate. So rate in this example is 12%. So that divided by payment per year. Then type just comma, and then our next requirement is n par. N par is here 15. So n par multiplied by payment per year, that is 12. Then type just comma, and our next requirement is PV. PV is here 5 lakhs. So click here and then type comma. Our next requirement is FV. FV means future value. In this example, we can see that there is no future value, so future value is 0, and then payment is also be 0. Then just type first bracket, first closing bracket, and pressing enter. So we got our required payment, that is 6,000.84. Then we just click the month cell and type 0. So here is outstanding balance 5 lakh. And then I type just this cell 1 for my series, and then I will go to fill option, and then I take just series. Then I select column. The step value is here 1 and stop value is 180. I just type 180 and click on OK. Then we can see that our month series is here 1 to 180, and then we have to calculate payment. So we just type equal sign and then payment function, type the first bracket, and then our requirement is the rate. Requirement is here rate. So we just tap rate, that is 12%, and that is divided by payment per. Sorry, now we should this payment value starting from 1 month. So we just type equal sign and payment function, and then type first bracket, and our requirements is rate. So we have to select the rate option, and that is divided by payment per year, and then just type comma, and our next requirement is n per number of year. So now we just year, and then that is divided by that is multiplied by payment per year. So I just click here and then I type comma, and then our next requirement is PV. PV in this example, we can see that 5 lakh, and then type comma, and now next requirement FB. In this example, there is no future value, so future value is 0, and type is also be 0. And then just closing first bracket and pressing enter. So we can see that our required payment is here 6,000.084 and I just I have to freeze all the amount. So I freeze those amount by $sign. So freeze have done, and just I click press enter button. So we can see that our payment is here, and then I just press here, double click, and then we got our payment is here. Every month is same payment, and then we just calculate interest payment. So interest payment, how to calculate interest payment? First of all, we type equal sign and function of interest payment. Interest payment function is IPMT. And then we have to type the first bracket, and then our requirement is rate. So the rate is here 12%, that divided by payment per year, and then our type comma, and now our requirement is per. Per is 1 month, and then our requirement is n per. N per is number of years. So just click here, and that is multiplied by payment per year, and then type comma, and our next requirement is PV. So PV is here 5 lakh, and our next requirement FV. FV is not here in this example, so 0. Type is also be 0, and then just type closing the first bracket and then pressing enter. So our interest payment is here $5,000. So I just all the amount freeze. So I freeze those amount by $sign. So I have to all the amount have to freeze, but without only payment amount. Then pressing enter, so I can see that is here. Our interest payment is here all over month. That is decreased day by day, and then we have to calculate principal payment. So first of all, we just type equal sign and a principal payment function, that is PPMT, and then type first bracket, and our first requirement is rate. Rate is here 12%, and that is divided by payment per year, and then type comma, and our next requirement is per. Per is 1. So click just here, and then comma. Then our next requirement n per. N per means number of year. So I just click number of year, and that is multiplied by payment per year. Then type comma, And our next requirement is PB. PB is here 5 lakh, then type comma and FV. FV have not this example, so FV is 0. Then type is also be 0, and then just type closing first bracket and pressing enter. So our principal payment is here $1,000.84. Then we have to freeze those amount by $sign. So I just freeze those amount just without payment amount. And then just pressing enter and just click here, double click. So we can see that our principal payment is here. Principal payment over the 1 to 180 month, and then our outstanding balance. So we have to calculate outstanding balance. First of all, we just type equal sign and then just click outstanding balance, that is 5 lakh plus plus principal payment, and then press enter. So we can see that our outstanding balance is here for 1 month is 4 lakh 98,999.16 so I just click a double click. So is here we can see that our all the outstanding balance, and that int of $00, we can see all the required calculation. First of all, payment and interest payment, then principal payment and outstanding balance. So that's all about my loan amortization schedule calculation. Then we have to add it a chart in this calculation. So I just click recommended chart and I just select on chart and then click on OK. So we have a chart that's about the loan amortization. So we can see all of loan amortization calculation and chart. So that's all of my loan that's all about my loan amortization schedule video. So thank you all for all of my viewer for viewing my video.